meet Eddie, he's concerned about maintaining good cholesterol levels, so he takes fish oil. But fish oil leaves a fishy aftertaste, and Eddie has fish burps. That was until he found Green Planet Nutraceuticals krill oil. No more fishy aftertaste, no more fish burps. Plus, krill oil contains acetophen, a powerful antioxidant which prevents the omega-3 fats from oxidizing before Eddie is able to integrate them into a cellular tissue. And krill are at the bottom of the food chain, so they don't contain mercury or other heavy metals commonly found in fish oil. If you're concerned about maintaining healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels and don't want the fishy aftertaste and fish burps from fish oil, and want to avoid mercury and heavy metals commonly found in fish oil, give krill oil a try. You can pick up a bottle at our Amazon.com listing. Click the link below.